Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. And in today's video we are looking at the second of our 3/8 VDE socket sets. This one is from Draper. Its part number is 31057 and is a 19-piece set costing you around about £205. Now, as per the previous set that we looked at from Trident, whilst it has the Draper name on it, this is manufactured by another company who I believe to be in Taiwan, and that's the Trident Precision Tools company, and they do hold a VDE certificate for this. However, you can also get this from other companies. This appears to be the same as a Titan set, part number 68100, and that will cost you around about £360. And you can also get a similar set to this from Trident Tools for around about £216. That's the TTV 3814, but that's only 14 piece. And you can get another set from Laser Tools 6146, which is 22 piece. And I've forgotten the price of that, so I'll have to stick that up on the screen during the edit. So as you can see, it comes in this blow molded case, fairly solid case, quite a bit bigger than the other one physically, both in terms of the length of the case there and the width that you can see there, hopefully. And nevertheless, a sturdy case. You've got metal pin hinges on this here, and you've got two latches at the front here that hold it closed. And we open that up, and then you can see there's nothing in the lid up there, but we do get all our tools in this tool foam here. Quite a high density foam. It's quite hard plastic on this. Probably going to struggle to see, I don't know, but each of the items does have the name stamped next to it in the foam. So you've got sockets here around the edge from 6mm all the way up to 20mm in 1mm steps with no misses. So complete range of sockets there. You've got 3 extension bars, a 3-inch, 6-inch, 10-inch, and then you've got the 3/8 drive ratchet handle itself. Finger pulls around all the items so you can get them out reasonably easy. And obviously these slots cut in, make you be able to get the sockets out, no problems. So this is the little ratchet here, fairly noisy ratchet on there. And you can turn it around here, change direction. And you can see hopefully here that it does have the VDE markings on it and the IEC standard there as well. So I have been having issues with this little fellow. You can see here we have a little pin in here, so we can push this to release the socket, and you do need to push it to get it on as well. So you can't actually get it on until you push it in. But that's incredibly stiff to push it in, and when you've pushed it in, it stays stuck out. Even pushing the socket on, looks like it'll just drop off. So this appears to be a wee bit faulty at this moment in time. You have to push the pin back inside there, and then we're locked on, and it's not coming off at all. And you can push it in to take it off, but it stays out again. The extension pieces, they are not locking on this, whereas on the Trident design they are locking. You just push in, but they are quite a bit more solid fit and less rattling these ones than there is in the Trident set, so it seems to be a slightly better quality if it weren't for the fault with the wrench. But of course now we've got an extension bar on there, I can't get in to push that up. I have been using it a little bit, hoping that it would slowly release, but it doesn't appear to want to do that yet. It does add to release a little bit there as well, but hopefully as time goes on it will actually work itself in and it'll start working properly. It's not particularly good quality to see it turn up like that. This wrench is available on its own on the Draper website, as are all the sockets individually and the extension bars. Furthermore, especially for my needs, it doesn't have a 22mm socket in it. and a 22mm socket 3X drive is available from Draper directly, so you could purchase that independently if you wanted that. And there's a little bit of space here. You might get away with putting a 22mm socket in there. The 20mm fits reasonably easy, or even that way or that way. You could probably get away with it and get it in there, although I haven't done that yet because the Trident set has a 22mm socket in it. So that does me there. So yeah, that's our Draper 31057 19-piece VDE set. I did pick it up a little while back, and I believe now that this is obsolete, although individual components are still available on the Draper website. I believe they have replaced this unit with a new version, also 19-piece, but branded as the Draper XP1000 3/8 drive ratchet set. 19-piece, however, what it does have is a 22mm socket in that set, at the expense of one of these extension bars. Unfortunately, that wasn't available at the time I purchased this, but that would suit me a little bit better, having that 22mm socket in there. So there you go. So that's our 3X drive VDE socket set from Draper. Fairly reasonable quality, good range of sockets on it. Just a shame about that ratchet. But that'll be it for this video. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you found it useful, and I'll see you again on the next one.